Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and in this video I would like to show you how you can easily and quickly reorganize rows within a Microsoft list. You probably, I'm sure, have a use case for something like this, but let me explain. So I happen to have this list, and it could be, of course, any kind of list. This happens to be some certification tracker, tracking, I guess, certificates, training for employees. And I have this list, and I want to organize this rows by, certain criteria, and it's not, I don't want it to be sorted in any way. I just literally want to organize the rows just like I want them in my particular order. It's actually very, very easy to do. You just literally hover over the row you want to kind of maybe push to the top. For example, this one, and you will get to see this two vertical lines. So just grab and literally just move it up. You see, and it literally moves it up. All right. And you can, that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. You can grab multiple rows. So for example, you know what? This three, they need to be just under this one for now. You just highlight and it will move, essentially the whole bunch, to the right place. Now, very, very easy to do. Right now, one thing I want to outline is that in some cases, it's actually will probably be pretty frequent. You might not see those two vertical lines. If you don't see them, that means you cannot, move the row up and down or down. Let me tell you why this is the case. This happens when you are already sorting your your list through by one of the columns. For example, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sort by expiration date. All right, so I sorted by expiration date or maybe some other column. All right, and look now that I sorted by this date column. Look, I'm trying now to move this. You see, no vertical lines. I cannot do anything with this anymore. So how do we now? What if I now, you maybe inherited some sort of list, maybe you created some views, and so on. Let me just save this view just so that we have it. All right. So I sorted by expiration date. How do we get around this? Here's what you need to do. You need to remove this, sort essentially order. To do that, navigate to this view drop down, and you would need to click Edit Current View, and this will go into this classic kind of look and feel. This is actually how we used to create views many, many years ago in SharePoint. But you want to scroll down until you see the sort, section. And it tells you here, you see that it's sorted by expiration date. Make sure that it's not sorted by any. So I'm going to say none and make sure to click OK. And let me now refresh. Yeah, I don't think I need to refresh. Yeah, here we go. You see the two lines appeared. So now the sort is gone by expiration date. And once again, I can pretty much do whatever whatever I want in terms of moving things up and down. All right. So pretty, nice feature that we have. Really allows you to, organize the information, the data that you have in a list in a very flexible way. So hopefully you will be using this feature. But for now, thank you very much for watching. As always, happy to see you on my blog, sharepointmaven.com, as well as my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.